Hey, my name's Davey. I'm a filmmaker. Recently, I was lent a C500 Mark II with a combination of some Cooke Anamorphic lenses. What a cool combination that was. What a cool camera that is. On this film, I decided to go down to Welder's fabrication shop, and we took some images of a fabricator doing some welding, and that combination of those lenses and that camera, really awesome. We shot in RAW. I think it's come out really well, but you know, give your opinion, tell me what you think. I'd love to put it up against a camera like the Kinefinity Mavo LF or something like that, a similar price range camera that's similar spec, a RAW full frame camera. That would be quite cool, but take a look at this and give me your thoughts.